Hey friends, in this video I am going to write a function in Python that will allow us to check whether a given string is palindrome or not. Palindromes are words or phrases that read the same backward and forward. For example, mom, wow, race car, step on no pets are palindromes. Suppose we are given a phrase step on no pets and we need to check whether it is palindrome or not. How do we check it? There are multiple ways to check it. First approach could be to simply reverse the given string and compare it with original string. If both of them are equal, then the given string must be palindrome. Second approach is to iterate the string till half its length and compare first character with last character, second with second last, and so on. If any character mismatches, then the string is not palindrome. Now let's look at the Python code for the second approach we have discussed. Here I am simply iterating over a string till half its length and comparing first character with last character, second with second last, and so on. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Inshallah, I am going to make similar educational videos in future. Bye.